Hey there, my friend. Merry Christmas and a truly prosperous Happy New Year 2026. I hope you're soaking up the festive cheer with family, good food, and some well deserved downtime. You've hustled hard this year, enjoy it. But let's get real for a second. That old legacy application is probably stealing your peace right now, even during the holidays. Think about it. Sky high maintenance costs eating into your budget, poor performance frustrating your users and team, outdated security, leaving you wide open to risks and absolutely no room to grow or innovate. It's like carrying dead weight into the new year. I've felt that sting personally. Years ago, I lost a massive deal because our clunky legacy system couldn't integrate with a key partner's tools. Opportunities vanished overnight. That heavy, frustrating feeling of being stuck. It weighs on you, doesn't it? Makes you wonder how much more your business could achieve without this anchor. The good news? There's a clear way out. Strategic legacy modernization that transforms everything. We start with a thorough audit of your entire setup, code, data, workflows to uncover hidden issues and opportunities. Then we rebuild on a modern, proven stack, robust PHP 8 or Node.js for the backend, lightning fast Next.js with Tailwind CSS for beautiful, responsive front ends, efficient MySQL databases, and full cloud infrastructure on AWS or Azure for auto scaling and top tier security. We handle safe, zero downtime data migration, add powerful automations to eliminate manual drudgery, and run exhaustive testing to ensure everything's rock solid. The results speak for themselves. Clients routinely cut manual work by 60%, boost overall efficiency by 45% or more, slash ongoing bills dramatically, delight users with smooth experiences, and finally unlock real scalability for growth. At KSoft Technologies, we deliver this flawlessly every time. An experienced, hands-on team, completely transparent process, and you keep 100% IP protection.